And here we have the door hatch issue. It's going up, going up, going up, going up, and now it should just stop, but it just goes straight back down. Seems that the struts are not supporting the weight of the door. Alright, so supporting the hatch lift with a ladder so it won't fall down. Now I'm going to attempt to take off the current struts. Which are here. This one looks good. This guy over here looks like it's the major culprit. Leaking right over there. Alright, let's see if these come off pretty right. So this is what was in the package. We have our one strut arm there, or lift support, right? And it comes with 2 business cards. One that tells you where you get it, and another one with a link to a video. So no actual instructions, but a video site, which works for me. Totally clean, as opposed to mine, which is totally not clean. But that's alright. Remember that these are motorized lifts, so it tells you something there about high pressure gas or something. Not sure. So yeah. Right, got that one out, and I was able to pull it out. I'm doing it myself, so I couldn't do it with 2 hands so you can see, but it's out. Now we're going to work on the bottom one. I think with this one I could probably do it with 2 hands. Put that in there. Nope. I'm going to go underneath. I think it works better with 2 hands. Going back to 2 hands. Yep. So, got it in. Put it in. Don't have it in. Wish I had a longer screwdriver. But all I have are the attachment ones, and they don't work so well. Anyway, I'm in. Hold it out. Probably better do it with somebody else. Luckily, it's holding up the trunk. Right, so it's out. Not too much grease. Alright, a little bit rustation. Now I'm going to put the other one in. Alright, so basically clipped in the new lift support in there, and the ball end in there. It was literally just plug and play. This end as well. I did have my neighbor come and help me lift up the gate because it needed to go up a few more inches in order to be able to clear the top one right there. And now, moment of truth. I'm going to close the gate. And sure enough, there it is. Supported by itself, closing by itself, and now reopening by itself. So Honda wanted 130 for each struts, I believe. No, they wanted 160 for each strut. Plus it was, I believe it said 75 for labor. Right? So do the math there. AutoZone wanted 120 per strut and installation myself. I got them 2 for 60 and did it myself in literally 5 minutes. All right, cool.
Awesome.
Out. So wait.
How's it going, Mitch? What's up?
Good.
yourself? Not bad.
Just to make sure it works.
John, do some home repairs here on this car.
Didn't kill myself. I am now going to grow some beard hair.